Hey guys, this is JD Vay from Hoppe Industries down in Troop, Texas, bringing you our newest Mini. We already had Minis out for the Can-Am Defender and all the different families, but they didn't really work plug and play with the Can-Am Defender Limited. So we've had a lot of dealers and a lot of customers asking for this, so we decided to make and design one specifically for this. And it's great. Again, just plug and play, the same quality as all of our other Minis, all kicker powered, head unit and the speakers. Harness right down the A-post, plugs in place, but the brackets are just a little bit different. And those brackets right there allow you to mount it right here where the old cover plate was. Now the windshield wiper fluid and everything still works. And then we even include a little bracket right here so the rear view mirror continues to work. As always, got a KMC2 head unit with AM, FM, and Bluetooth. It has the dome light so that you can turn it on and off. So we're really excited about that part of it and bringing this Mini Defender to you for the limited models. Again, we've had a lot of dealers asking specifically for these. They work with the factory roof and liner, doors, everything. So you can just literally unbolt the cover plate that's up there, remove it, put our Mini in, bolt it up, it works, everything still functions and all of that. And there's a couple kicker plates, toggle switches you may have to remove from up here and move down here if you had them, but that's it. Just relocate them down. But as far as all of your integration, your tip out windshield, everything still works with no issues at all. So it still works, windshield wiper, everything, full functioning. Like I said, we're just excited to bring this to you, and we've got plenty more coming. As always, you can go to hoppeindustries.com and find this Mini right there, order it direct, and we'll ship it to you. You can go to our dealers, or you can go to our distributors, Parts Unlimited and Western Powersports. Both of them keep these in stock or should have them pretty soon as we get ready to ship them. They'll be available through them or right on our website. Stay tuned, we got more coming, plenty more about ready to launch right this close. To stay up to date, you can either join our mailing list on our website at hoppeindustries.com. You can also stay in touch with us on social media, both Facebook or Instagram, and continue to watch. We appreciate it. We're excited. We have lots of stuff, and we're just going to keep coming out with new products very often. Thanks.